Gamers and creators, it's time to get to know your motherboard. Z790 AORUS Master X. Let's dive into its powerful features. It offers best-in-class compatibility with DDR5 memory for peak performance. For optimal results, refer to the qualified vendor list. QVL for tested memory modules. This motherboard supports Intel Core 13th and 14th generation processors, ensuring top-tier processing power. It features a 20+1+2 phase. The voltage regulation module. VRM configuration on the motherboard solution for stable overclocking and dual-channel DDR5 memory, optimized for Intel's latest chips. This feature is essential for handling power demands during high-performance tasks like gaming and content creation, minimizing power fluctuations and ensuring stability. The DDR5 XMP booster automatically enhances memory performance, while the auto booster pushes speeds from DDR5 5600 to 6000, improving your overall performance with minimal effort. With PCIe 5.0 support, you're future-proofed for next-generation GPUs, and the 5 M.2 slots, including PCIe 5.0 x4, provide ultra-fast storage. Connectivity options include 10 GB LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and multiple USB-C ports for maximum flexibility. By Gigabyte. Ultra-durable technology ensures lasting reliability and stability even under intense gaming or performance tasks. The advanced thermal design keeps your system cool, and DTS-X Ultra Audio delivers crystal-clear sound for a premium experience. With RGB Fusion lets you customize the RGB lighting on your motherboard and connected devices for a unique look. With addressable RGB LED headers, you can individually control each LED on ARGB Generation 2 devices, giving you full creative control over your lighting setup. Using GCC, Gigabyte Control Center, you can easily adjust lighting effects to match your style. Showcase your individuality by personalizing your system with stunning, customizable lighting effects that truly reflect your creativity. Unlock the true power of your system with the Z790 AORUS Master X. Get yours now through the link in the description for easy and secure purchasing. Compare the options and pick the best price that fits your needs. Don't miss out on the best deals.